Hey, almost news time. It's a Thursday, and we're gonna trade. All right. Okay. So there were some amazing setups today. I took a few wins, and I missed the engulfing candle setup that just happened at 7. I'll show you. Yeah, so I missed this one. I was not at the PC, but now I have alerts. Now I do have alerts. I didn't show here, but they will show in the other chart. I do have alerts now for this setup. Opened, expanded the downside, and you could have had a very nice 3-hour trade, which I missed. So now we're looking, waiting for news. The news should be in a few minutes at 8:30. Let me check. I will confirm it to you in a second. Yeah, 8:30. So 10 minutes. The market is waiting for PPI and unemployment claims. Unemployment is more important than PPI, and so we're gonna have huge weeks. The data high, data low, the usual stuff, and see if we can take a trade after the week is created. Meanwhile, just looking at the structure, we had a major crash. Price during London, this is the midnight. We were going up. We did go and hit the high of the CPI high, and then we kept going up. We reached some important levels around here. There were some liquidity level which I commented out. There you go. This important liquidity level was taken, and then at midnight we started to break down and come down. And there was an engulfing candle set up at what was it exactly here? At 2 a.m. So I did take this one, this short. If I held with a little bit more conviction, it would have been the run of a lifetime. But I did take a very nice win on both the TopStepX funded account and on Tradify evaluation. And now I'm waiting for the AM session for. So we were thinking, let me show you the interpretation I had of this as a market maker model. Where was the annotations? Well, I just saw it. All right, so as you can see, I took a few nice trades over the course of, let me remove the market structure. I'm doing this live. So original consolidation, there's a sort of equal lows here, and it was the run that led to returning to the CPI data high. So this is a consolidation area that sometimes price will want to refer to. So we went up, reached a very important level, the 6 to 7 projection of the last manipulation in the PM session yesterday. We reached it, reverted it, and then crashed. We came down exactly at the original consolidation low, sort of the terminus of this market maker sell model, and then we started going up. Now, question is, was this a retracement before continuing to the downside, or was this just a reversal and we're going to go up? That's the $1 million question. And this is what we want to draw, is Fibonacci optimal trade entry levels. As you can see, we are in we reached above the equilibrium of this price leg. Was like, let me draw it. I can draw it. So we reached back into the equilibrium of the leg, and almost at the Fibonacci level. So in some way you could expect that we could continue to the downside, but we didn't actually touch the 62%. So I would consider that this is probably a bit bullish scenario. Just we hit this level reaccumulated, and now we go up. It's possible. This is, we could call this the smart money reversal. This would be the first accumulation, and then once we break above here, there will be a huge push, secondary accumulation, and then off we go to the missile, to space. Let me hide this. All right, so so we're waiting for 8:30, and we'll let it do its thing, and then we'll assess. This is what I drew because I thought, hey, there's the origin. Here's the origin. There is already a dip into the origin. That is first dip into it. If we could come down to it again, then fake out and come down again, that would be the AFOP setup, right? So this is how you could frame it, a complete reversal that allows all market participants that want to accumulate money at the low. It would give them a chance, and then price would run, it would exhaust people going short, and the book would thin up, and then we will move up. So that's, but this is on the 5-minute chart, so these sort of moves sometimes happen much more rapidly on lower time frames. So in the end, this might not come to pass. Anyway, we keep an eye on it for now, and I will hide this for now. We keep this, and maybe the run is happening now, right? These are equal levels though. Whoever's going long now, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if you should go long yet. I'm not sure if you should go long yet. The big news is coming. There is a lot of build up above here. Maybe remove the fractals for now. Clutters a little bit the chart, and we do have an SNDR here. See, okay, this would be the actual place on the 1 minute where we would go. Yeah. Well, so it could be a single tap, it could be multiple taps. I need to be ready to enter on my personal account because I already am done on the funded ones. I am done on the I want to take an extra trade on Tradify setup, see if I can push it a little bit and just get it funded. I am halfway, I'm up 1600 on it. And see, how many minutes? 4 minutes? We're not gonna gamble on the data week. We're not gonna gamble on the data week. I mean, I'm not. You can do whatever you want. And trendline liquidity building up. This was the trade that would have been, if I was at the computer, I would have taken this with the engulfing setup that I've been talking about. You can see that there was a volume imbalance on the 1 minute, and price came, filled it to the tick, and then dumped. And then people say, no, there's no, price is not algorithmic. I mean, price has algorithmic signatures for sure. Some really high time frame interventions are happening so that price will move exactly, filling these volume imbalances. It does happen. I see it every day. We lock this. Okay, so maybe up first, maybe down first. We keep an eye on the 5 minute. I do have a view on the hourly chart. I wanted to make sure that there's no noise on the higher time frames. There's a lot of noise. Let me remove some of the noise, please. Okay, much better. What we'd like to do is, okay, data high, data coming down here. Possibly. This is one way, and then come down, fake it out, and then run. That will be the actual AFOP setup. But it could also just come down here and run, also possible. And I would like to be sure, this is what we could do, is we could prepare how big would be the size of our trades if we expected to do a trade like, would this make sense? Would sort of make sense, right? Okay, if we were bullish, one second. So if, hey, what's happening? Doesn't want to move the camera. So if we were, 30 seconds. This is actually a double tap. Well, it is equal lows, to be honest. Right. I'd like to see what ES is doing. Ooh. All right, up we go. Data high has happened. Oh my God. Tell me there's an engulfing candle. Tell me, please. Yes, there is a. What was this alert? That's a bearish engulfing candle, according to him. Tell me exactly how is that a bearish engulfing candle? Do I have a bear? Do I have a... All right, I see what it means. If we will close this candle bearish, then we'll be engulfing candle. I just set up alerts for this, and now, of course, the alert has triggered as soon as it's possible, which is good because it alerts me 1 hour before that this could happen. Okay, let's not get distracted. So we're doing something serious, very serious here. This is unemployment data high. Data high. Okay. Last one. Did he go low? Okay, this week, it's the, let's say we could call it the intention, right? Intention is to go up, and now it filled the books are thin, market maker need to step in. I will slide it for you. That's the one. Step one. Wick here. All right, well, let's hide it. We'll review it later. Okay, so this would be data low, right? Something like that. Ooh. I like that it beeps every time it happens. Is it bullish now, or what is it? It's a bullish engulfing candle, because why? We did wick below. Yeah. We wicked below the 1 hour candle. So we have the option. At the end of this hour, so at 9, we're gonna have a very high probability setup. Whatever happens, it's fantastic. I am excited actually, because those setups are very, very high probability. Asia high hasn't been taken. Only 130 points trade. 35 points stop is a bit too much, right? So I want to try to keep it to 25 maybe. And so wick and go up. And why is this so big? Said no one ever. Okay. Sweep and close up. Yeah. Oh, we're going towards data high. And if you remember, is this movable? Okay, move it. How big is this? Whoa. Oh, I need it a bit smaller. This would be the Fibonacci levels. We were waiting for a double tap into the origin, which happened. Well, logically, we did this. Now we're going up. If we could do reverse, that will be our AFOB setup. That will be perfect. That will be the perfect, I say, dissimulation of the intention of the real move. But let's check the news, what actually transpired. Okay, PPI was static and unemployment is down. Okay, unemployment down means dollar strong, means unemployment down means dollar strong, means no need to lower interest, means equities down, right? Equities down, because everything is connected to, can I buy free money? Can you give me free money so that I can buy my own shares, right? That was the mechanic of the bull runs of the past years. Oh, money's free. Let me buy my own stock so I can pump it so that it seems I'm growing. Seems like I'm growing like crazy. Okay, we are going to do this. I'm going to show this only on this time frame. Okay, I can already tell you there is a volume imbalance here. We're going to come back here for sure. The 5-minute volume imbalances are not allowed to exist, to be honest. So we are going here 100%. There's not even a question. The question is, how are we going to go down here as a dissimulation? I think it's quite likely. Well, we'll see. Sorry. Thank you for reminding me. Data low. Okay. Oh. Oh. Damn. We don't need to go to 15 seconds yet because we're not trading this. We're just watching. Now, the thing is, it can get boring watching a trader waiting for a setup. So I'm not an entertainer. I mean, I am a really great entertainer, but you see, the trend line was it. We now theoretically are in a bullish. We flipped a bullish on 1 minute. And we do have a bullish engulfing candle, which is nice for 9 a.m. So we have 20 minutes to go before considering an entry. Alright, sorry. Let's say because this gets boring, we'll reconvene at 9 a.m., okay? See, maybe even do a new video, because this probably was not that entertaining, right? Well, I'll think about it. Okay. Bye for now. See you in a bit. And glitch back. Okay. You know, something happened. We almost touched data high. And the bullish candle is confirmed. The bullish engulfing candle. See, this is the 1 hour candle. We just need to close above 823 in the next 3 minutes, and we should be good. So we are attempting to gauge where our stop could be, because I will be going long. So want to risk So if I put a 25-point stop and I want to risk 500 on this, then it's going to be 10. So we're going to go long 10 and all right. All right. Whew. Okay, so yeah, there is a, what is it? What is this? This is the 1 minute. I'm gonna wait 2 minutes. We're gonna wait 9 a.m. and then possibly, depending on our mood, we just press long. Why don't this again? Great. All right, 59, just to be more patient. Now there is equal lows above a fair value gap, and we are approaching the origin of this move. 9. We press. Okay, I missed it, of course. Market. Okay, let it go down 1 second, and we're gonna stop enter if it goes above there. We could do it this way. Right. Create limit stop. 10. Okay, like this. So this is a buy stop. 1 tick above this. Maybe 1 less. Okay. And then hold it till Asia high. What was it? All right, Asia high. That's what we wanted. And if we go down, we know where we're going to long from. So we could also wait for a valid low. Let's see. So when we see a valid low confirmed, then we do it. So I'm not in yet. 9 a.m. We do have a confirmed engulfing candle. Let's see if it shows here on an indicator. It's not loading it. It's not loading it. Oh, sometimes it glitches. Let's see on the... Oh. It doesn't show on this one either. There's something I need to adjust on the lower time frames. It does show on the big screen on the H1. And the target then will be, yes, exactly, so 900 for sure. Yeah, of course. And we could even reach for 920, which would be, yeah, Asia, sort of Asia high. Okay, I'm happy that we're not tagged in yet, because to be honest, the entry for me is either from this volume imbalance or even replay this, like we said in the preparation of this. But be staying consistent with the model. If we wick here and then do a flip or a valid low, we're going to enter. And in that case, we might enter even with a wider, with a smaller stop actually. So for now we leave it like this. Still consider we might yeah, this might be the it has to close though, right? So we want to do is like wait for the close and then wait for the retest of the flipped candle or valid low, because yeah, it gives us a smaller stop. And okay, there is some slowdown. 1 second. All right. I'm checking the hourly chart. Okay, we might get now a valid low, so time to go in. Remember it's 9, so then there's the open at 9:30, so we need to be quick. I might maybe go in. If we close above that candle, this would be a 2R. Ready with the personal account too. We can reduce the stop as soon as this valid low, and then we can even increase the size maybe. So if this would be the stop, oh wait, always if this would be the stop, then we could enter with 20 contracts. So let's do that. 14. So 1 minute. Okay, did it close? It didn't close, but it's nice. Let's enter. Okay, I'm in. Let's see if we. Okay. Yeah, that's a good ratio. It's a retest, so we can now enter. If we continue, I can go up the size. For 40. Okay, so we're in. All right, that's our trade. 12-point stop. Let me set the stop on this one too. And the stop would be 8. This one, let's say 862. 862 and 862 we said, right? Okay. Okay, it actually see, this is the craziness. It gets to the moment where it has to close and then fails to close. That is really the maddening thing about it. You have to wait for the close, and otherwise the setup is not there. And I do this sometimes. Wait for the close so that the valid low is confirmed, and I did not. Right. So this we might get a loss because of this. Mm-hmm. 906. Okay, retesting the fair value gap. To be honest, this was a failure to take the data high, so I could see price going also down. But we're sticking to the engulfing candle narrative for now, and then see what happens. And if it doesn't work, it does not work. We might go long later. Okay, seems like we're going to take a loss, maybe. I was overeager. Look, it did close, and I thought, okay, we're surely going to push now. Exactly right, right. So that's why you wait for the close that will confirm a valid low, or so-called flip. That one is not flipped. This is still, there's a line. See, my indicator, by the way, makes it easy to track, because this candle hasn't been closed. Though to be fair, so this is the lowest candle. The lowest candle, yeah, should be below this week. All right, it's the second. Now we're wicking a lot around this fair value gap. Okay, we're pushing. 7, 9. Okay, we're pushing. We like this. Let's see if we can. But the thing is that the 930 might want to push above here, so we don't know. Okay, let's see if we can close, at least create a valid low. That's official. It hasn't done it yet. That might, see, it rejected it again. That did reject again. Oh, I want to see, go see and look and sweat it on lower time frame even. Let's see what we can see on the lower time frames. Okay, massive failure, rejection. Yeah, it's the pre-open that nothing wants to happen before the open. Makes sense to me. Oh, we got stopped. All right. And then it stopped us. The valid low, I said let's wait for a valid low, and you know, the valid low, is it now running? Of course. Let's see if we can re-enter. If it creates a real valid low. Hasn't closed above yet. We would have saved ourselves. We would have saved ourselves. What happened? Did I move the? Oh yeah, this one. We would have saved ourselves a loss if I waited. Right. Now we're leaving weeks to the downside. The rules say now we need to wait half an hour for the next setup, so we need to wait the open. This, I still think the engulfing setup will work, so that we'll have a continuation to the upside, most likely. But it's news, it's a news candle, so news candle can let price come down, of course. Now, I was a little bit tempted to re-enter, but we're just going to be disciplined and we won't do it. So, pause for now. We come back at the open, see if we can catch the move at the open. And if it does it earlier, I'll come back and tell you, okay? Deal? Okay, good. Ciao. Hello. Yeah, so I'm waiting for, after we took that loss, because I was not patient enough to wait for a close above this line. So I'm waiting now for 930, but more specifically, well, after 930, 927, 928, something like that, and a signal that we close above a bearish candle, that is, create a change in state of delivery, a CSS, a candlestick structure shift, however you want to call it. We are waiting for a bearish candle that has the lowest wick to be violated. So this doesn't count. This is the lowest wick. So we would have a flip if we go above this candle. I had coded this a long time ago, so the indicator helps me out. We did violate no monitor. I don't want you to switch off. Thank you. Sorry. Why? Loss. Volego, ora it's a statistical game. Okay, so that's what I want to do. It's 20, still 10 minutes. All right, so it would be nice if it does not want to confirm a valid high before. That means it really will have a decisive move at the open, theoretically, tendentially. Yeah. Directionally. Okay. There is a volume imbalance here that maybe we would need to revisit at one point. Well, the open is his own mini game, so maybe we could just keep our stops tight and let's see. Okay, this will be the number of contracts. We don't want to get in now. We have to wait a bit longer. It's better for price if it doesn't breach that high. We did close above, maybe. There's 30 seconds. No, but the open could weak this, right? So we have to be very cautious because there is an imbalance. We can weak it and then run, right? So that would be a reason for being a little bit more conservative. Okay, so that's what we would like. This would be a 5. So I'll try again. Unfortunate that I entered without confirmation. I would say that wait for a valid low confirmation, and then I got overeager, overconfident, and a little bit frustrating. Are we doing it? The question is, are we gonna let it do it? It's doing it. Oh, dude, it's doing it. Okay, in a way it's nice if we wicked it and did not confirm it. Okay, we're in. I guess we're in. And we have to set the stop. 21,850. Okay. I don't like it. We're doing it a bit too early. We're doing it a bit too early. Question is, do we want to set up so that we go break even very fast? So 6. Okay. Did we close above? Yeah. 6. Okay. So the valid high is now confirmed. This is our candlestick shift. We did retest it. We did come back to the small order block and rejected it. But the open is a bit delicate. Small gamble. And there's area here which we could reach for. So maybe we go break even a year early and just re-enter at 933 or something. Right. Could be not a bad choice, to be honest. Also, I had promised not to trade the first 15 minutes after the open, and here we are because of the engulfing setup. Buy below the open, right? We said buy below the open. For any candle, we buy below the open and then hold. We enter too early. This is a double top. Weak both sides probably, yeah? Does make sense. Okay, we're halfway of this CSS flip. Below here, we might activate some bearish momentum. $97.27. Big rejection. Okay. I don't like this, be honest. No. 58. It's OTE, by the way, so it makes sense. But we could go down. I mean, mixing signals. I think we take another loss here. All right. Baby. Trust the stats, but the stats can still work until 10 a.m. So, also, let me check the other model. What did the other model say? Touching 50% would make sense, actually. Yeah. Okay. "30 seconds. Well, we're in this, so we're gonna dance. We're going to dance. Looks more bearish to be honest, but we'll see. Violence is always a little bit unexpected. 3, 2, 1, and now we know. Probably smashed. We're gonna be smashed. 30, and down, or up, maybe. Up, please. Not moving. That's so scary. Not moving. Do you think? All right. What's happening? Yeah, up we go. Up we go. Oh, a wick. Oh, he just wicked us. Oh, that's scary. Come on, do it. Oh my god. I don't know. Did we get lucky? Yeah, we got lucky, dude. Okay, we take this. Yes, theta high. All right. I'm out of this. And now I have a finger on the starts to be 900. Okay, nice. 900, this is taken. At Asia high, we can close it. I'm still in the other one. Market. All right, we got stopped. All right, I'm not bad, not happy, not unhappy about this. Well, this is not exactly our stop because we got trailed. But okay, the open went our direction. That was nice. All right. Okay, yo. I took it. Very tense. Funny girls. Okay. All right. That was nice. How much did it take? Very nice. Okay. Okay. I would say you saw me do the analysis. You saw me preparing. You saw me take a loss and then make it back. Okay, so might be how you say, good learning that I did something I shouldn't have done. It's hard to be error-free in the trading environment, but we did take a nice trade. Let me do something. Bust. Let me show you. Hey, hi. Let me just show you what just happened. I called this a win. Sorry, I just went checked. Thank you for watching. Asia, we did catch Asia high, so we could have gotten way more profit on this. I trailed, of course, and that's it for now. Thank you for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Ciao.